Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. If you're interested in finding a platform to create astonishing charts and graphics, show extensive project information, and create better business strategies, you will love what we will show you next. In today's video, we will talk about Mockups, a cloud-based visual collaboration platform designed to help companies build websites and mobile apps. But before we go any further, don't forget that SoftwareTrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's dive into Mockups. Mockups is a visual collaboration tool that helps you create visual products for various purposes, including whiteboards, design components, and diagrams. It also allows firms to plan, collaborate, improve project management, streamline operations, and track progress. Mockups can help many types of organizations working on complex projects. Mockups alignment tools allow users to perform numerous activities. In addition, its template kits let users combine items from the built-in library, including icons, fonts, shapes, and widgets, to create unique designs. Business analysts can use Mockups Online Chart Maker to understand better and share crucial possibilities. Besides, data visualization can also assist your team in discovering unexpected trends in your performance metrics by making complex data more accessible. Mockups allows you to easily create pie and donut charts, bar and line graphs, and more. Plus, as more businesses adopt digital ERP systems, analytical reporting is becoming more widespread. Using Mockups Online Chart Maker, everyone on your team can be creative with their data. In addition, you can use Mockups templates to create realistic visualizations and business intelligence dashboards quickly. And most importantly, your team will use the same tool to create charts online as wireframes, diagrams, and prototypes. If you like what you hear about Mockups, check out a link to buy their services in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of other great videos about software like this one. Now, let's continue with Mockups. Line graphs connect data points using straight lines. They are most typically used in business, finance, sales, marketing, and the experimental sciences to indicate development through time. Using Mockups line graphs can help organizations analyze trends, track key metrics, evaluate performance, identify crucial concerns, make timely decisions, and plan for the future. There are several types of line charts. For example, some are used to show population increase, others are used to illustrate business earnings, yet others are used to direct sales performance. You can also use multi-line graphs or multiple data series to compare the performance of different groups and analyze trends. Bar graphs can be used to identify best to worst performers or rank values from largest to smallest, in addition to comparing vast numbers of entities and tracking changes over time. A bar chart can display statistics, such as sales by product, location or time, divisional performance, or survey findings scored on a Likert scale. Furthermore, in the grouped bar chart, bars within each class are clustered together to indicate common subcategories. Subcategories can be depicted using stacked bar charts, but only within each bar to show how each subcategory contributes to the overall. Bar charts, which resemble column charts in design, are better suited for displaying extensive data due to their horizontal orientation. A pie chart is a circular graph in which different categories are represented as slices of the entire, displaying categories as arcs rather than slices. Both make it easy to see part-to-whole connections at a glance. They differ from line charts, area charts, column charts, and bar graphs in that they are unable to show changes over time. The pie graph conveys a solid and immediate sense of overall proportions, whereas the donut graph directs the reader's eye around the arcs of the circle, creating a narrative. In addition, the donut graph provides the benefit of displaying additional data in the graph's middle. Election and census results, revenue by product or division, recycling data, survey responses, budget breakdowns, educational statistics, expenditure plans, and population segmentation are all common uses for pie charts and donut charts. If you like what you heard about mockups, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this software video, feel free to check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers and subscribe to our social media channels. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.